We humans are social animals, and we look towards our families for love and care. And often, if deprived of this love, and they look towards us to render them a helping hand. Even the elephants, the mighty jumbos, the largest land mammals on earth, get orphaned, and they too need our care. And that's why we have orphanages set up, to treat and care for them. Let's see what the computer has to say about orphanages. Elephant orphanages. Elephant orphanages. Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage in Sri Lanka. Hello, my name is Shendrew and I am doing my master's degree in mass communications at GRD College of Science, Coimbatore. Come with me as I attempt to explore Pinnawala, and I promise you an experience you won't forget. My journey begins in Sri Lanka, which is a small tropical island just below India in the Indian Ocean. Pinnawala. Landing at the Bandaranayake International Airport in Colombo, I had to take a 2-hour drive through the winding yet scenic road to arrive at my destination. The Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage is situated halfway between the present capital Colombo and the ancient royal residence Kandy in the hills of central Sri Lanka. The Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage was started in 1975 by the Department of Wildlife on a 25-acre coconut property on the Mahaoya River and Rabukkanna. Both foreigners and locals alike need to purchase a ticket at the gate to enter. The orphanage was primarily designed to afford care and protection to the many baby elephants found in the jungle without their mothers. In most of these cases, the mother had either died or been killed. In some instances, the baby had fallen into a pit, and in others, the mother had fallen in and died. Initially, this orphanage was at the Vilpattu National Park, then shifted to the tourist complex at Bentota, and then to the Dahiwala Zoo. From the Dahiwala Zoo, it was shifted in 1975 to Pinnawala. At the time it was shifted, the orphanage had 5 baby elephants, which formed its nucleus. It was hoped that this facility would attract both local and foreign visitors, the income from which would help maintain the orphanage. A shelter is put up to which the baby orphans are brought in thrice a day to be fed. They happily march in and get chained and treated to 4 liters of milk each. Even though they are baby elephants, they are still wild and thus need to be chained down before feeding can begin. The leaves are mainly coconut leaves, but also branches from jackfruit, trees, branches and logs of Kitul palm tree are also fed. Like all babies, these baby elephants can be a little mischievous too. Bandhu is the smallest of the orphans. And Bandhu is always very inquisitive to see what's new in the bucket. Upul is the mahout who takes care and feeds Bandhu. Bandhu has been under Upul's care for the past 3 years, and they have developed a special bond between them. The spacious shelter offers ample space for photographers. Being the center of attention, the elephants often put on a good show, and the mahouts enjoy themselves too. The public is kept at a safe distance from these elephants. Later on, I managed to meet up with Upul and ask a few questions.
We bring the elephants here thrice a day and feed them milk with lactogen dissolved in it. These are orphans, so they don't go over there to mix with the other elephants during feeding time.
Bandhu lost his left ear when he was attacked by a leopard in the wild. The vets at Pinnawala managed to treat and care for Bandhu. While the orphans are fed in the shelter, the other elephants are left free to graze and feed in the open. Elephants with their babies graze together, and the mothers who take care and feed them.